Hello everyone. Let's take a look at how to use the Cloaked URL feature in WPAdCenter. Link cloaking hides the destination website's URL behind a more visually appealing link. When a person clicks the cloaked link, they're redirected to an alternate location. Link cloaking also conceals your affiliate ID. Hiding it protects you from malware or other malicious software used to hijack commissions. To use the Cloaked URL, you'll need to install and activate the Pro version of WPAdCenter plugin. Head over to WPAdCenter tab and click on Manage Ad option. Choose any ad whose link you want to cloak. Here under the ad details, you'll see an option to enable Cloaked URL. After enabling this option, the link URL will be replaced by a cloaked URL in the front end. Let's see how it looks on the site. As you can see, this is the cloaked URL being used when we hover over the ad. And this is the actual destination URL, where we are redirected when we click on the ad. You can also change the prefix that comes before the cloaked link slug from the global settings in WPAdCenter. To do that, go to the Settings tab in WPAdCenter. Navigate to the Link options in the General Settings tab. Here, you'll get the option to change the cloaked link prefix. Let's change the prefix and see how it looks on the site. As you can see, the prefix of the cloaked URL has changed. And that's it. This is how you can use the Cloaked URL feature of WPAdCenter.